Hey, how you guys doing? Romy here from Romy's Customs. I've got the final on the 250 GTO. So what I'll do is I'll just flip the camera over in a moment and show you. Again, really sweet kit to build. Had a lot of fun. So I'll just turn it over, let you have a look, and I'll also show you what I'll be doing next. So if you just give me 2 seconds, I'll just flip the camera around and we'll get on with the show. Okay, cheers. Right, there she is, all done. I'll just point out a few things for you. The wheels here, these aren't the actual tires that come with the car. I didn't like the tires that came with it, so I changed it. These are off of a Ferrari 308, which I built earlier on, but obviously I used different tires on that car, so these tires came off of that one. Basically, I didn't like it because, let me see if I get into camera here. These are the tires that come with the kit, and I didn't really like it. It looks a bit like it should be on a World War II Jeep or something. So I went with these a lot. I like these a lot, but let me see if I can just line both of them up together so you can see. I don't know if you can actually make it out there, but these are a lot better to go with. I'll just spin it about for you a bit. There you go. Now the front of the car, I don't know if you can tell on the box, there is a chrome, I don't know what you call it, a grill or something that goes around the inside. But what I did on here was I didn't put it in. I just stuck the horse. See if it'll actually clear up for you. I found, to me it looked a lot better going it this way than with the grill on the inside. It's all bare metal foil here. The good thing with this kit is that the actual windscreens go, you have to install it on the outside, whereas in other kits you have to do it from the inside. So I was able to actually put the bare metal foil on the actual windscreens and the back glass before I actually installed it. Just pop it open here for you. There you go. I kept the inside silver. Should be able to see it all in there silver. I'll pop the other door open now. And in here. What I ought to do with the exhaust tips that are coming out, if you can tell, I've actually angled them up a bit because I found it would look too plain, if you know what I mean, just sticking out straight. So I try to angle them up to give it a bit more of a muscle car feel. There it is, the Ferrari 250 GTO. excellent time building this car. It was I had no issues with it, quite easy to go together, everything went together. What I would do next time, if I do build another one, is I would lower the suspension a bit. I find it does sit a bit high. But again, that's the only thing I would change on it, is the height of the suspension. And that's it. There it is, all done. And now for the next build. So I'll just drag this across if I can with one hand. Come on, I should be able to just skate it across. There it goes. And here's the next one. That's the next one on the bench. So I'll just pop it open. Again, hopefully I can do all this with one hand. Now what I got for this is I've got added parts to it. Because I was talking to Ron. If any of you guys haven't seen his channel, his page, check him out. Excellent builder, highly recommended. He does fantastic work. You could find him on Styrene Junkie 73. Definitely check him out. I was talking to him about actually I wanted to change the back tire on this bike to make it a fat boy. Hang on, the decals on the floor. There we go. Yes, I wanted to change it to make it look like a fat boy. So I contacted a guy from this place, I don't know if you can make it out. And he does a conversion to turn the bike into a fat boy. As you can see there, he gives you step-by-step instructions on what to do and all the parts to go with it, which is all in here, which I still have to go through. And for any of you out there who are a bit confused as to what a fat boy is, you can tell the difference between the two fenders already. And if I find the two tires, you'll see a bigger difference, which I'll get out of the box now. So that's the conversion one here. Oh, there it rolls away. Come on, sit still. And that's what comes with the kit. Now you can definitely tell the difference. So that's why I'm definitely going with this one and not that. Everything's still in the bag. The only thing I have taken out to have a look at was the frame, to see how the frame fits. Oh, what we got here? Extra tree, piece of tree, all of that's from the frame. We've got your normal chrome parts. I'm gonna have to spread things about here. More chrome parts. Even more chrome parts, and loads of chrome parts. There's the front lights. Oh, even more chrome parts. It's just a box full of chrome. Yep, yes it is, a box full of chrome. And here's the frame for the bike. Stash everything back in. So this is definitely the next one I'm doing. I'll be starting this ASAP. Oh, don't want to forget the little bit of actual styrene parts to do. Alright, so I'll just flip it over. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. Right guys, so that's it. Just final on the 250 GTO. And I'm moving on to the chopper now, so keep an eye out. I'll do updates as I build the chopper, and I'll also show you how I'm adapting the frame to handle such a bigger tire. I mean, he's given me all the instructions, and you know, I've got everything in the bag that he sent to actually do the conversion. So I'm looking forward to it. First time working with resin, So any hints or tips any of you guys got out there for painting resin and preparing it for paint and so forth, you know, just add a few comments down below. So again, you know, thanks for watching, and that's what's happening next here. So all you guys take it easy out there and stay good.